Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Niftiwala, and today I have an outlook on crude oil futures, on which I have made a diagram on my chart over here. So there are a lot of people who trade in crude oil futures and commodities. So I've made a diagram for people for a quick reference and some markings which I have that would help people who trade in this particular commodity. Remember, this is not an advice to buy or sell, but this is just my observation based on some drawings which I've been kind of making over the past 2 years. Um, the data which I have got is marked from April 2021 till April 2023. This is the last 2 years data in which I have made a few markings over here. So the red lines that you can see over here, these two red lines are the base or kind of a mean line which I have drawn that tells us that whenever the crude oil touches this blue line, so it was somewhere near the level of 65 around September of 2021, after which it made a high of near 85, again came down to the 60, 62 level, and again made a top. Between that, there was this Russia-Ukraine war, and crude started going up from 90. This was in Feb 2022. So that was a time when crude touched somewhere near 130 levels. So we can see this level over here. After which it kept, hovering in a range of 120, and then it started falling from 123, and it again came back to this line which I have drawn, which is a mean line. So this line is important. This red line which I have drawn is important, and major moves happen from this particular line. So this level is 76, which is a key level from which major announcement happens, and there is some major move which we have mostly seen. Now, what is the outlook in the near term future? So there is a resistance near 82, which is now clearly seen over here, and if it crosses the level of 82, then it is expected to touch 92 to 95. So this blue line which I have drawn over here, this is the line where it can come. So there is one line where it is taking resistance, but it broke out of that line after the 2nd April news, where it was announced that several of the world's largest oil exporters have said that they are cutting their oil production levels, and this has caused a leap in the crude oil prices. So at that time also it was trading near 75, 76. So 75, 76 is an important level. Most of the time crude oil turns when it is near 75. That is my key observation. So any of the important moves which have happened, that is July 2021, crude was near 75, 76. It crashed from there, came down all the way till 61. Again, crude oil was near 75, 76 level just before Russia-Ukraine war, and it kind of spiked up from there. And again, it was near 75, 76 level, and this news came on 2nd April, and then it has spiked from there with a sudden gap up. Now today I am making this video, it's 10th of April 2022. Please make a note, this is not a buy sell advice. This is just an expected move that I am seeing. So as per this pattern which is formed over here, this is a corrective zigzag pattern. I am saying that it will kind of continue to move in the zigzag pattern, but once it crosses about this level of 92, 95, and it maintains itself above this level, then in the next 3 months, 3 to 4 months, it is expected to touch the level of 110. That is my prediction on the crude oil that I can see, um, because this level of 62 has been protected multiple times. It has not gone below the 61, 62 level. It has taken support multiple times over the past 2 years. So this tells me that this time also, when it came crashing down, it did not even touch 62, but it went all the way up to the level of 76, and then it started moving up from there. So now this, again, these red two lines are the guiding lines, which is the mean line. um, it has come over here. So if it goes above this, it will start moving up in this fashion, and slowly and steadily it will touch 110. That is the prediction. and there's a support near 70. So if it breaks the support of 70, then it will not go up but rather come down and touch the level of 62 in the coming days. So this is my outlook, and hope you like this video. I request you to please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Neeraj Niftywala.